Good morning, everyone. We've suffered this tragedy around us, and our neighbors and our ohana needs help. So we're taking 100% of everything from our farms and our farmland, and we are going to set up an area where people can connect with each other. We have a solar system and star band, so we're some of the only people with some wireless. We want to make that available to you so you can connect with your loved ones. We're right outside of the fire zone, so we're making our farms available. We're going to have food, we're going to have shelter. We need volunteers, we need a lot of stuff, but we need to organize that over the next couple of days. We're hopefully to be set up this evening with some convoys that are coming in with supplies. We know that most of the people are up in Napili that really need a lot of help right now, but we also know a lot of people are going to be returning to Lahaina, and because we're right on the edge of it, some of these people are going to have to do what they do, and they need to have an option that's close. We're going to set up a situation where we can provide housing, camping, food, showers, whatever that's needed, and it's going to be on a temporary basis. And then the people who have, and this is for people who have lost their houses. And so if you've lost your house, this is going to be open to you. We're also going to take our machines, if we can, for the people that we're allowed to help, and we will clear your spot for you and get you set up with your own camp on your own land. That is the end goal. But for now, we know that resources need to be made available. So we have food, we have water, we have land. We're creating solar systems and communication for everyone. So hit us up on our social media. We have a nonprofit. It's called Regenerative Education Centers. You can find it. It's recenters.org. There's money coming into there. We are making 100% of everything that comes in there go directly to our community. You will see it happen in action. So we feel like we can make a huge impact, and our community needs it. So we're here. Utilize this. Come help. Come be helped. We're working with Zane Schweitzer, Maddie Schweitzer, Josh Bogle. We're working with Sustainable Surf. We're in talks with the county on a small level that hopefully we can get them to join in and recognize what we're doing. We need to be helping each other, and we can't necessarily rely on the government to do it. They're so overwhelmed right now that we need to stand on our own 2 feet. I live off grid. I live this way. I grow food, so I can help feed you and share what we have. That's all I got to say about that. I say that with the utmost humility and respect. I know what everyone's going through. So we're here, and we're here to help. So if you want to donate to this, if you want to come as someone that's going to help, well, then we'll set it up so you can contact us. You're going to go to recenters.org, and there's going to be a landing page for donations there. So I think that that's a great way to start. And as the next few days unfold, so will our ability to help and what we're going to be able to do. But if you're looking to donate and you want a legitimate 5013C in the state of Hawaii with good standing, we're going to put 100% of the proceeds that come in directly to our community with no bureaucracy or anything in between it.